Doodly versus DoodleMaker. In today's video, I'm going to show you these two platforms and I'm going to compare them so that you can find out which is going to be the best whiteboard animation software for you. So what I'm going to do is show you what you can do with both softwares. So I'm going to show you how you can create these videos and what they'll look like. Then I'm also going to compare the pricing of these softwares and I'm going to pretty much tell you which one is going to be the best for you depending on what you need to do with the actual software. Let's get into that. Now, before I show you all of that stuff, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say this, and I won't leave any affiliate links in the description down below, meaning that this is going to be an honest opinion. That makes a lot of sense, right? So most videos will have affiliate links, this one won't. Let's get into it. So here we are on Doodly. Now Doodly is probably the most known whiteboard animation software. So what you can do with Doodly is create amazing videos that could look like this. So this is just a preview. Now you can see that these are engaging whiteboard videos. So what you can do with Doodly is pretty much create engaging whiteboard animations like this one. You can see a hand simply writing down text or even drawing a few different characters or houses or stuff like that. Now, apart from the whiteboards, we also have a glass board. Now, if we play that one, you'll see that the difference is that the hand is not in front of the screen, but behind it because it's a glass. That's pretty cool, right? So that's already a slightly different option than the whiteboard. If I scroll down even further, you also have a blackboard, which is also pretty cool. Now this is the same as the whiteboard, but of course it's a blackboard, and you can see the hand drawing characters is in front of the screen or the camera as well. So that's the main difference. However, with Doodly, you can get the whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard options, which is pretty cool. Now on DoodleMaker, there's a main difference between the two. So both softwares are made by the same company, by the same entrepreneurs, which is pretty cool to see. However, the main difference between DoodleMaker and Doodly is that the DoodleMaker software is more made to automate it. So on Doodly, you have to do a lot of stuff yourself. So if you want to create engaging videos like this, you have to put in quite a lot of work in terms of choosing characters, making sure that it looks good, changing the text, customizing the fonts, all of that good stuff, which will then give you an amazing video like this. So that's awesome. Both softwares will give you good videos, like high quality, engaging videos. But the main difference between these two softwares is that DoodleMaker is made with AI. AI systems are included, meaning that you can automate a lot of this stuff. So as you guys can see right there, they have a AI photo background remover. You can make unlimited videos 1080p. You can also make 1080p on Doodly. I'll get into all of the features and stuff in a bit, but I just want to explain the main difference between the two. So DoodleMaker is really made to automate and take off the work from you. So if I scroll down, you can see amplify your impact, reach, and results. So this is just normal sales page stuff, but I want to find the AI thing. There we go. But there's a problem. Doodle video creation was not easy until today. And that means that with Doodly, like they pretty much explained there, the videos are relatively easy to make. However, you still need to choose the characters, you still need to choose templates, put in the text and all of that. And the main difference between these two is that DoodleMaker will automatically do that, or at least that's what you can do. As you can see, creating great videos yourself takes time and technical skill. The amount of cost, outsourcing costs to skyrocket. You have to buy expensive and complicated video editors and tools. Most Doodle video apps are limited on features and complicated. So basically what they've done with DoodleMaker is that they've automated this system, or like the process. As you can see right there, welcome to the future of video creation. The generation of AI has arrived. Introducing and then DoodleMaker. So the main selling point on DoodleMaker is that it's pretty much automated. So what comes included with DoodleMaker is a lot of templates. You can see 300 ready-made templates. They also have text-to-speech in 60 languages, and that's insane. And the main selling point, the main thing I like about DoodleMaker is that you can put in a YouTube link, a YouTube video link. They're gonna scan the video and they'll literally give you back a full Doodle kind of video, so whiteboard animation. So what the AI system on DoodleMaker can do is pretty much find out what your video is about, find out what the script, so what they're saying in the video, and then create an automated video with all of characters, text, and all of that good stuff that actually fits your video, which is insane. Now with this software, you can create unlimited doodle videos, and most of the other stuff is kind of the same. So the only selling points that are different is that DoodleMaker is made for AI, so it's way easier to make a video. They've got more templates, they've got more fonts, although you cannot upload your own fonts, but however, that just depends on what you're trying to do. But the main key point here is that this DoodleMaker software is more automated, so it's going to be easier and faster to make a video, which is great. Now let's go into pricing, because that's actually very important. So if we go to Doodly, and by the way, I didn't talk about Doodly that much, but basically what Doodly does is that it gives you access to an editor to the studio like this, where you can simply add characters, add text, templates as well, and it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy to do. However, it takes time, and with DoodleMaker, they're trying to get rid of that, so they want to pretty much allow you to make those videos faster, and that's the main difference between the two. So in terms of quality, which one is going to be better? There's not that much difference. The main difference is that on here they've got 60 languages for text to speech. So if you want to make videos but you don't want to do the voiceover, then this one is going to be great. On Doodly, however, you can customize a bit more because it's less made for templates, but it really depends if you want to put in the work or if you want to do this fast. If you want to do this the fast way and get videos done quick, DoodleMaker is probably going to be better for you. If not, then Doodly is probably going to be better, since you can do more in the software itself in terms of customizing it, uploading your own fonts and all of that. But if we take a look at pricing, this is going to be Doodly. So you can pay monthly, and then it's going to be 39 bucks per month. For that, you're going to be able to create unlimited videos, use it on multiple computers, so it's cloud-based, which is great. You've got premium support, as you can see, 803 characters, 1157 prop images. You can see the main difference between the standard plan and the enterprise is pretty much how many like free music tracks you'll get, how many scenes, how many characters and all of that. If you go annually, it will change to 20 per month, which isn't bad, it's actually very good, and then 40 per month for the enterprise plan. Now if I go to DoodleMaker, you'll see that if I scroll down, it's only going to be 67 as of right now, and that also comes with a money back guarantee. Now you can see the founders are the same people, like I said in the intro, so the price is pretty different. So I'm pretty sure that this is a one-time fee as of right now. So this is probably the launch page, which is why you can get this. So that's actually pretty good, and you can even use the coupon Doodle for $18 off, which is insane. So that means it's going to be 49 bucks, which is insane. And you can get the money back guarantee. So yeah, the main difference between the two is that with Doodly, you can create amazing videos, including whiteboard animations, glassboard, and then blackboard, but it's going to take more time and work to actually make the video and then get it done. And with DoodleMaker, what they've done, they've pretty much tried to automate that entire process. So if you don't have that much time, you want to do this quick, DoodleMaker is going to be the best for you. What you can do is use text-to-speech and 300 ready-made templates to make your video right away with drag and drop editing. Now what you can also do, like I mentioned, is simply put in a video link into the software, and it's then automatically going to create a video using the AI system, which is great. So hopefully this video helped you out. And by the way, of course, there are going to be whiteboard animations, blackboard, and then also glassboard. So like I said, the software makers are the same people, so they've included everything, like most of the stuff that wasn't Doodly on DoodleMaker, but the only thing they've added, which is great, is that they've tried to make it even easier to make a video with text-to-speech and with the automated stuff. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.